to see who wins the bet.
Don't film me. Film the kids.
5, 9.5, 69.5 inches. 50 or 66 inches and 66 and a quarter.
3 1/4 inches. Break. So who's getting ice cream?
I think.
Who was closest?
I don't have money. Sorry.
Yes, you do.
Here's my baby axle parts. These things are tiny. 2 words come to mind. Cute and go-kart. Look at the size of this thing. Holy jeez. I can see why you don't run low gears on a Dana 30. Here's the one that came out. There's one I gotta put in. Wow. So, supposedly, these are cut so there's more tooth engagement between the ring and pinion, even though it's such a low gear. I sure hope they're right, because that thing is tiny. Okay, next, don't do it like that. That's not where it needs to be, the bird. No, not like that. No. Run your finger over it, feel that? Then you take it and you go like this. See how it's grabbing? That. And then you feel, see now there's not a bird there anymore. Meaning this doesn't do this squat. You go like this. Right on the burr. Okay? Mm-hmm.
Hi.
So we got the old Dana 30 taken apart. We're getting all of our new parts prepped. One thing that is unfortunate about the Revolution gear and axle master rebuild kits is all their shims need deburred. Otherwise you get false readings. So that's kind of a tedious pain, but we got helpers. The old bearings are getting prepped to be used as setup bearings. So grinding those out a little bit to get them so they slide on and off. I picked up a setup nut at the hardware store. So I'm not using the crushed nut, the lock nut, and damaging our threads and damaging the nut. And I think it's just about ready for us to start putting things together. The pinion's pretty much done. As far as those setup bearings, I got to make the setup bearings for the locker. It's actually not a locker. I bought this, I don't remember, a while ago. It's an Eaton True Track, so it's all gears. It's got helical gears. I don't know if you can see down inside there, but it's got helical gears down in here that it works off of instead of spider gears like this. So there's no clutches. There's no discs as far as like pressure discs or no magnets. You don't need air. You don't need electrical. You don't need a cable. Nothing. It's just all, or even you don't even need special gear oil. It's just all mechanical and it's torque biasing. So the idea is it puts the most traction to the tire with, or it puts the most torque to the tire with the most traction. We run them in a few other vehicles. They're great, especially for the front axle because you don't need any special steering assist. You can turn with these and your front end doesn't bind up and it doesn't pull you off the road. So anyways, we had it, so we're going to use it. It never ended up in the axle that we intended it for, that different type of axle. So I'm just going to put in this. Okay, don't file one spot. You're taking.
I'm not just filing the whole thing.
Or
Or one spot. I'm filing the whole thing.
Go like this kind of motion, sliding motion, not back and forth in one spot. No, that's not what I showed you.
That's exactly what you said.
No. No. Okay. You were following like this. Don't do that. Okay. So right here a little bit. So you go like this. I'm sliding across to take the burr off. Like that. Okay. Not in one spot. Just like this. With my finger behind it to support it. The thin ones are really thin and bendy. Okay. Remember what I told you before?
What do you mean?
Slow is smooth, and smooth is fast. So don't damage the shim. Be deliberate.
You're recording me?
Okay, good me. Yeah.
What are you doing?
So I pressed it on with the press and some 2x4s to protect the gears. And now I use an old axle shaft to hold it so I can torque everything down.
In the background, you are just filing these.
Now, do you only torque it down with a standard wrench, or does it require?
Oh, I'll do a torque wrench. Right now I'm just going to get it back.
Wait.
Hello, Bearing. Come on up there. You see you're supposed to put this away.
Hold on. Until I get done. Hold on.
Whoa! Hold on!
All right, we got this in with no shims and only set up bearings, but at least we know it's all going to go together and it's all the right parts. So, yeah, we'll tomorrow we'll come back and start adjusting the shims and seeing what kind of patterns we can run.